In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sections in Card. Sections are the key to organizing a longer one-page site into clear, scannable parts. They make it easy for visitors to jump to areas like About, Services, or Contact, and they keep your layout tidy behind the scenes. Let's set one up together so you can create smooth, anchor-style navigation in just a few clicks. Start by heading to card.co and opening the dashboard. From there, choose the project you want to edit. This brings you into the Card Builder where you'll see your canvas and the element controls. Look for the Add button. Instead of adding a visible element like text or an image, you'll add a behind-the-scenes element called a control. Controls don't show on the page, they help the page behave the way you want. Once you click Add, select Control. In the panel that appears, open the Type dropdown and choose Section Break. This is what creates a named section that you can link to. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Keep it simple and descriptive, like About, Services, or Contact. Avoid spaces and special characters. Using lowercase and hyphens works well, and it keeps your links clean and predictable. When you're happy with the name, click Done to insert the section break into your project. Now place it where you want the page to divide. You can drag the section break to the exact spot between elements where a new section should begin. Think of it like dropping a marker that says, "From here on, we're in a new part of the page." The placement matters. Anything above the marker belongs to the previous section, and anything below belongs to the next. If your layout changes later, you can always grab the section break and move it up or down to keep your structure clear. With the section in place, you can link to it from buttons, text links, or navigation elements. When you edit a button, set its link to the section you just named, and Card will handle the smooth scroll for you. Add a few more section breaks to mark the key parts of your site, and you'll have a clean, easy-to-navigate layout that feels professional and fast. That's all it takes. Open your project, add a control, set it to section break, name it, click Done, and drop it where it belongs. With that foundation, your Card site becomes much easier to navigate and maintain.